Welcome back to our channel, The Life of Riley. In this series, we're taking you with us on our first international trip in over 2 years. Last night, we arrived in Dubai in the United Arab Emirates. Today, we'll show you around our 5-star hotel room and take you with us to the top of the world's tallest building, the Burj Khalifa. Welcome to the JA Ocean View Hotel. This is day 2 of our stay in Dubai. Well, technically still day 1 because we arrived in the early hours of this morning. That's why we stayed at a hotel near the airport last night. But now we are at the hotel that we're booked into for 3 nights here. And it's really nice. Let's have a look around. There's the bathroom in here first of all. Big wardrobes with robes and slippers because it is a spa hotel. There's a pool, there's a gym, etc. And I love the lighting, the colour. It's a lovely turquoise light colour, very nautical feeling. I've got some complimentary water, kettles, teas and coffees. I like the space where you put your suitcases. It's quite a nice space to have your suitcases on. And then we've got a little sofa if you want to just chill there.
Looks like a snuggle.
But we have a balcony with this view. We're looking at the Dubai Eye over there. And is the Palm.
We've got people doing water sports over there.
There's
a lot of boats.
Activity.
Salt course out in the water.
Yeah.
And then let's carefully look over.
Long way down.
16 floors.
Yep. And there's another 9 floors above us.
Very big. But not the biggest.
No.
There's plenty bigger here right behind us.
So we want to get unpacked, get settled, and then get ready to go out because at 4:30 we've got the Sunset Bubbly Experience at the Burj Khalifa. So we'll catch you a bit later. We are on the 154th floor of the Burj Khalifa. We have some sparkling wine. Unfortunately, it's quite foggy today. You get the idea.
We're higher than Tom Cruise.
I think so. Is that not him down there?
Yeah.
Hanging on by one hand?
I think that's the mall, isn't it?
Disappointed not to get our full Bubbly Sunset Experience. Once it got dark, the city lights were quite spectacular. So, Burj Khalifa. It's windier than the Scottish Highlands in December.
Let's have a look at it.
148. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this episode, please like and subscribe, and come back for our next video where we head out to the desert to ride camels, quad bikes, try sandboarding and dune blasting in a 4x4. See you there!